with another one.
Alright guys, so this is J.O.A.T.D. Today's video is going to be about your forward thrust arms and lower control arms. I have a suspicion that my thrust arms and lower control arms in the front are going bad. I'm going to show you what it looks like if it's going bad. If it's really bad, it'll move a lot more than this, but this right here shows me that they need to be replaced. Alright guys, so I removed the forward thrust arms. This is what they look like here. The one up here is the left, the one down here is the right. As you can see, the left side has a lot of cracks in the rubber. If we flip it over, there's cracks on the other side also. You can see the cracks in the inside. You see that? So this one right here was going bad. This right here is the right side. It was actually pretty decent. I'm guessing that it was replaced at one point. Flip it on this side. It doesn't have any cracks in it at all. See down in there? But if you look on this left one, you look in there, see all those cracks? Big cracks here, and then cracks in the inside. On the right one, see, it's perfectly fine. The way you know the difference between the two is it actually says right on this one. Let's see. This one does say L here. BMW L, so that might mean that is the left side. I don't see any other L's on it other than like right here, but the right side actually says, you know, right on it. So those are replaced. I'll probably keep this right one because I mean it doesn't have any cracks in it, but these things are not that expensive. Nah, I'm just gonna throw it away. Now here are the lower control arms. You see it says left, yeah, and this one says right. So this L right here does mean left. So I replaced these two. I didn't see cracks in them, but if you're going to replace the thrust arms, you might as well replace the lower control arms also. If you look at this one has cracks. You see the cracks? So they needed to be replaced. You see that? So it's a good thing I replaced them. But I wanted to show you guys the difference between a decent or good thrust control arm and a bad one. All right, this is J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.